Militant Solons accused President Benigno Aquino for not being a statesman for allowing to file charges against the Ateneo student who disrupted his speech on Independence Day in Naga City.
If you have a president who is overly sensitive sa mga ganong expressions, he should not be in public office. Kasi as a politician, as any official, expected naman na meron talaga mag-o-oppose sa iyong sasabihin. Pero yung ganong reaction, unstatesmanly. Walang statesmanship coming from the president. Actually, he could have gotten the admiration of people, of the public, kung pinabayaan niya si M at kinumpidan niya, umupo ka dito or mag-express ka pa kung ano yung pagtutol. Pero yung ganong reaction, even officials of other countries do not react in that manner. So sobra naman yung ganong reaction.
Una sa lahat, sumasaludo at nagpupugay kami. Kay M, saludo, kasabay. Sumasaludo kami sa kanya, may bagong role model ang mga kabataan. Salamat sa panunupi ni Pinoy at ng PNP. Kinokondena natin ang marahas na pagsupil sa kanyang karapatan na malayang magpahayag. Independence Day pa naman. At talagang pinatunay na wala pa rin talagang ganap na kalayaan ang mga Pilipino sa sarili nating lupa.
This is Frances Mangosing, Inquirer.net.